Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get boating license in Florida. So, first head over to boat-ed.com/Florida. So, from here, if you scroll down, you can see here four easy steps on how to get your boating license. First is you're going to need to sign up from this web page. Next is you're going to need to take a course on any desktop, tablet, or mobile device. You can save your progress anytime. And once you pass the final exam, you're able now to print a temporary boating license and go boating right away. So to start, we're just going to click on Get Started. And from here, you're just going to start to create your student account, starting with your date of birth, email address, and create a username and also a password. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on Create Account. And next, you're just going to need to add in your student information, starting with your first name and last name, and of course, your physical address. And from here, you're also going to need to add your contact information, such as your email address and phone number. Then, once done, make sure that you check the Terms of Service button, then proceed by selecting a course. Now, from here, you can now start selecting a course. Then, once you've selected the course, proceed by clicking on Continue. And you can also avail this offer if you want, but you can also proceed without the exclusive offer. So this course costs $44.95. You also have an option to automatically renew the course because the access to this course will expire after 90 days or 3 months. Then once you're done reviewing your course items, you can now proceed with the payment. And lastly, all you have to do is add in your payment information or details about your card. Then, once done, just proceed by clicking on Submit Payment. And from there, you can now start your course. And once you pass your final exam, you should now be able to get a temporary boating license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!